Hey everybody, hello. It is Sunday, the last weekend for April. We got one more week and then it's May. Look at that sunrise, it is nice. Well, I'm out here again with my kitties, some of my kitties. They all couldn't partake today. And really, I have no clue what I'm going to talk about today. But just want to take you guys on my journey today with my kids. We're all about having fun. And as you've seen in my previous videos, we've done some a little bit with the bow shooting. And what did we do last? I forget what it was. I have to look it up again. We went up in the mountains, went to the Big Bell. Well, today, you're going to see, we're going to do a little bit of riding, okay? I know what. Let's talk about being thankful. Thankful to God. Because there is a God. Whether if you want to believe it or not, and you say, oh, here he goes again. Well, I'd say for you guys who are thinking like that, you might as well just hit the video off now because we're going to have fun. And we're going to talk about being thankful to our Creator. Without the Creator, no chance. So let's get a move on. You ready? Drilling their own water. You know what? We just got some gas. Instead of 220 euros, it was 169. Crazy. You may have a nice little day. We're getting ready to get started. Oh, there he is. Oh. Wow, look at this. Wie heißen Sie? Jutta. Wir sind jetzt mit Jutta heute unterwegs. We're with Jutta. Guys, this is beautiful. Look at this. Yeah. This is gonna be our day. Yeah. It's gonna be nice. Oh yeah. Hey, how are you, baby? Hi. Hi. You're so friendly. Oh, yeah. But I don't have anything. Such a sweetie. Huh? How you like that? So, my son has his horse. What's your horse's name? Ballista. What's up? Chocolate. Hey, Galileo. This is mine. This is my horse. I just cleaned them up. We're gonna be ready to roll, baby. Say hello. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Hello. Fleikia. Wow, what a nice. Buffy, wie heißt deine Pferd? Pony? Connie. Oh, yeah. Typical woman horse. Yes. All right. Well, guys, I'm up on the horse and we're about to go. I have Galileo. And he was bucking a little bit, but we're going to be friends, I think. Okay. Yeah. Haha. We doing it. So like I said before, I'm out here with my kitties, some of my kitties. All those kids in the back are not mine. I was not so fruitful. I have 7 only, but I only have 4 with me today. Anyway, and just enjoying all of this. That's one of the best ways to go to nature. Anyway, my horse's name is, oh my gosh, what did I say? Not Gladiator. What's my horse's name? Oh my gosh. So, like I said, I'm going to be talking freehand pretty much with no real script. Some crazy times. That's why I take times like this with my family. You know, those that are dearest to me and mean the most to me. And try to give my kids some experience and also for myself. So, see if we can catch him. There he is. Got him. He's a champion, this horse. A real champion. He's so leap, so nice. Now my horse has to work because we have to go up this hill. Poor guy. I'm still weighing 101. But you will, du schaffst es. You will make it. I believe in you. I really believe in you. Go ahead, you can do your thing, but yeah, don't walk in his butt because then you can't breathe. Don't do it. You won't be able to breathe. Anyway, we supposedly have a energy crisis. Well, it is, but not like it should be. Everyone's afraid to what's going to happen in the future. Well, I don't know what's happening either. All I know is I'm just making every day count. I'm taking my quality time with quality people. And if something gets locked down and there's no internet, no energy, and no whatever, at least we can sit around the campfires and tell the story. On the road again. Yeah, anyway. So like I said, everyone is a little bit afraid of the energy crisis. I mean, it is a problem, but it's a much bigger picture. And come on, again. Come on. Okay. So he ran out of gas. We're going up the hill. I'll have to talk to you. So we're up a little higher, and now I remember his name is Galileo. Galileo is his name. He's a nice horse. He's an older horse, carrying an old man. Anyway, as I was saying, you never know what's to come in the future. If it's not the energy now, it's going to be something else. Anyway, the problem I think we're all having is on a much spiritual level. Let's see, hold on. I'm trying to film with Galileo. I gotta watch him because he's always trying to eat something. Hold on. Let's enjoy the view. I told you it'd be a little bit unscripted. Anyway, you know, of course there's a lot of chaos, much chaos in our world. But there are moments when you can recharge from that chaos and just, I say, been able to deal with it. It's moments like this. Oh, I gotta stop again. I'm thinking of this. Yeah? So, this is wonderful. I don't even know what I want to talk about again, but like I said, I did want to talk about one thing for sure, and it's to thank God for all of these happy moments. Look at them. They are going to remember this. Like I haven't been on a horse for over 20 some years, and I'm no professional. But it's nice to also go out with people you don't. Behind us, we have a crowd. It's nice. As I was saying, you only live once in life, and try to make it your best life experience, no matter, you know, if money shouldn't matter. There are so many things you could do which cost nothing. And enjoy this nature, recharge. We're all full of, I say, negative energy that surrounds us and sometimes controls us. Then you just have to come out in places like this and do things and get energy, recharge for the week, and then start a new day. Every day's a new day. Come on, buddy. Anybody in this world to try to deny that there's not one supreme being we call God, then, 1 second, come on, come on, baby. She got me by this tree. Don't you squeeze me, come on. Come on. Sorry, guys, every time we go to film, then my boy here gets an attitude. Anyway. Like I said, when you look at this, you know for sure there is a God. Anyway, I have to lean forward because we're going up the hill and I'm heavy. And look at this hill he's got to carry me. Yeah. He's got a couple of apples coming. I got some in the pocket. All right, you can go as fast as you want. I hope you're okay. Riding without hands, yo. Yo. Going up the hill, yo. But this is nice, yo. Oh, go ahead, buddy. Come on, Galileo. Whoop. We have to go up the hill. That's why he stopped again. You know. Okay. On our way back, and we're going downhill. And naturally for Galileo, it's difficult because he's an old guy and knees like mine. Okay, guys, if Galileo's trying to make his way, we will not go into a gallop, but I do want to show you guys this. Are you ready? Here we go, baby. Look at that, huh? Whoops. Look at that. Is that nice? Huh? Whoop. Whoop. So, I had a good time with Galileo. We had an awesome time. And he carried this big old boy. He's ready for this apple. Look at you, ready for it, right? Yes, you are. You ready for it? Yes. Enjoy. Yes. He's 14 years old. I guess he's about as old as I am in human years. But he did a good job. He carried all these 100 kilo by himself up and down the mountain. Yeah, lick it up. A little bit messy, but you deserved it. I really like you. Really nice. Galileo, guys, he was a champion. Okay, guys, we decided to come out here. Yeah. Woohoo! Good shot. Now, we are on our third beer right here. This boy right here, this man, sorry. It's like his daddy. Oh, shit. She got it? You got it? You got it all? No. Oh, damn. Good shot. We had an awesome day.
Well,
it was mega.
Yeah.
Riding the horses like Conan. And what was those superheroes on the horses? I don't remember anymore. Too old. Zorro.
Zorro, yeah.
Yeah. We was like Zorro. I was slow riding horseman. Look at behind there. Wow, look at that, everybody. Boy, this is quality time. The other two girls are in the car. The ladies, they're like, we want to stay in the car for now. Yeah. So I didn't get to tell you too much, guys, because I was so focused on that nice little horse. The horse. What was the name of your horse?
Ballisto.
It's like a chocolate bar. Ballisto. And yeah, a nice experience. So we know what to look out for in the future. And there are some faster horses, but I'm glad we didn't have, or at least I didn't have a fast one today. And yeah, these are the moments. We love God. God is important for us in our life. And God should be everybody's, no matter what your religion. I always say that. And if you don't have religion, know that something's making you tick, not just your heart and your brain. All that nature you saw today is a superpower way out there, way out there. But at the same time, it's inside of each one of us. So you guys have a nice week, a great week. I got energy, I got sun, I got my son, I got another son, but he didn't come. He'll be here the next time. And other children. And you guys stay tight with each other. Stay tight with yourself. Focus on your mind, your heart, and your soul, and your body, and pass all that good energy to other people. Take care. Bye.